In this video tutorial, I will download the master list of values for entering payables invoices and use the data to enter an invoice record. Refreshing master lookup values. All simplified loader templates contain the get lookup values operation. This operation retrieves the master list of values stored in Oracle Fusion and securely stores it within the simplified loader template. Saving the simplified loader template after clicking on the get lookup values operation also saves the lookup values within the template. The user doesn't need to click on the get lookup values operation every time they use the template. If the user feels that the master list is updated, they can click on the get lookup values operation again. This will delete existing lookup values and download the latest values from Oracle Fusion. Let me click on the get lookup values operation. You can see that the simplified loader template has requested the master list of values from Oracle and is waiting for a response from Oracle Fusion. After receiving a successful response, the values are downloaded to the template. In this instance, 420 lookup values are downloaded. I will now save the template. This saves all 420 lookup values. The user doesn't need to click on the get lookup values operation every time. Using downloaded lookup values. The fields that support lookup values are highlighted in green. In this example, fields like header invoice currency and header business unit have associated lookups. To utilize the lookup values, the user needs to double-click a green highlighted column. In this demo, I will double-click the header business unit field. The users see the pop-up window with a list of business units. The business units listed are displayed based on the user's data access. On top of the pop-up window, the user have option to filter data based on a specific values. To select a value from the list, double-click on a value or highlight the values and click the button Return Selected Record. I will double-click the value US1 business unit. You can see that the selected value is populated in the data sheet. Similarly, the user can select supplier details from header supplier by double-clicking column L. Notice that the supplier list is already filtered using the US1 business unit I selected earlier. I will filter on JGA supplier. Highlight the record to select, and click the Return Selected Record button. The supplier and the site details are populated in the data sheet.